Field scabious, also known as Nautia arvensis, is a lovely wildflower that is native to Europe and parts of Asia. It's a popular choice for gardeners due to its delicate blue-purple flowers, which bloom throughout the summer and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. If you're interested in growing this plant in your garden, here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Choose the right location. Field scabious prefers full sun to partial shade, so choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. It also prefers well-drained soil, so avoid areas that are prone to waterlogging. Prepare the soil. Before planting, prepare the soil by removing any weeds or debris and loosening the soil to a depth of around 30 centimeters. You can also add organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and drainage. Plant the seeds. Field scabious can be grown from seed or propagated from division. If you're starting from seed, sow them directly into the soil in late spring or early autumn. Scatter the seeds thinly and cover them lightly with soil. Water the area well after planting. Water regularly. Field scabious prefers moist soil, so water the plants regularly, especially during dry periods. Be careful not to overwater, as this can cause the roots to rot. Feed the plants. Field scabious doesn't require a lot of feeding, but you can give it a boost with a general-purpose fertilizer in early spring. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can cause the plants to produce more foliage than flowers. Deadhead regularly. To encourage more blooms, deadhead the spent flowers regularly throughout the growing season. Simply snip off the spent flowers at the base of the stem using a pair of sharp scissors or secateurs. Divide the plants. Field scabious can become quite dense over time, so it's a good idea to divide the plants every few years to maintain their health and vigor. You can do this in early spring or early autumn by digging up the clump and dividing it into smaller sections using a sharp knife or garden fork. Replant the sections in fresh soil and water well. In conclusion, growing field scabious is a relatively easy process that can add a splash of color and attract beneficial insects to your garden. With proper care and attention, your plants should thrive and provide you with beautiful blooms year after year.